Okay, where are we? Effective controls?
Effective controls, we represent airflow systems. They manufacture air cleaners and dust collectors, and this is their model PCH2.
Okay, so
we have a blower that's generating vacuum, about 1,000 cubic feet of air per minute. We draw the air through the hood, down through a set of cleanable cartridge filters. Right now we have a brand new set of filters. It's pulling about 1 inch on the magnehelic gauge, and then clean air comes out the backside.
And where does the air then blow? Just sort of disperses?
Yeah, it just comes right through the filters after it's filtered. And then we blow the clean air out the back end of the air.
It's not very loud either.
No, it's not. It's about 68 decibels. One of the problems that we're faced with in industry is our equipment being too noisy. So in a tool shop, they want a quiet piece of equipment. So when the filters get dirty, we connect an air line to this brass fitting to your quick disconnect compressed air supply system. With the blower turned off, we push the button in, and it blows out the filter. And then you drop the dust drawer, slide the drawer open, and dump out the material. You can see some residue left over in there.
Oh, okay, the material goes in there. And you just dump it out. Very cool.